Hi guys, welcome back, and we're here with another SQ camera war, the new edition being the SQ13. So I've decided to test the SQ8 where it all began, then the SQ11 with vast improvements, then came the SQ12 with more improvements and better night vision and a wider angled lens, and now the SQ13. Slightly more expensive, slightly bigger, has a wide angled lens just like the SQ12, has light indicators at the top, power, night vision, Wi-Fi and recording mode, and it has a lot more infrared sensors for night vision, and night vision is, in my opinion, better on the SQ13. I do night vision tests, a test in the car, a couple of outdoors tests as well, and indoors. What I need to tell you, unfortunately, I was absolutely gutted. After doing all the recording, I found out the SQ12 didn't record a couple of the, about 3 of the recording sessions. No idea why. I even put the micro SD card in and tried a recovery software tool to recover any sort of video files that may have been deleted accidentally or anything like that, but didn't find anything. I even remember turning it on to record and turning it off, and the lights showed, which normally would indicate that it's been recording. But unfortunately, the SQ12 is missing a few video files. So the only files that did work on here is the night vision and the one where I'm talking to it indoors, which will be the next clip you'll see in a moment. So there are SQ12 videos that I've done in the past. I did another war previous before the SQ13. I think that included the SQ9 as well. So you can compare that way as well. But in all honesty, I don't think the quality between the 12 and the 13 is that much different. But night vision is definitely better on the SQ13. Now, one thing I do want to show you is, you'd think this being the bigger camera would weigh a hell of a lot more. Let's put in the SQ8, this is where it all began. 26 grams for the SQ8. Now on the SQ11, the weight reduced somewhat. Although it is bigger, it only weighs 20 grams. The SQ12, that was lighter even still, 17 grams. So that's the lightest SQ camera we've had. So possibly better for flying your drones. SQ13, 26 grams. So it's bigger than the SQ8, but it weighs exactly the same. So I don't think that's too bad at all. Okay guys, so we're going to get into it now. I used this contraption throughout the whole process. Again, apologies for the SQ12 not working. So you'll mainly just see 3 windows of videos from the 3 cameras, and on a couple of sessions you will see all 4. So the next clip, you'll see me talking to all 4 cameras in my living room. Hope you enjoy the video guys. Let me know in the comments below which one you prefer.
I'm undertaking a new SQ camera test, the 8, 11, 12 and 13. These 4 are my pick of the best SQ cameras since they've been released.
In this test you'll see footage inside of a car, bright sunny day, also bright sunny day outside, night vision, and sort of environments like this where it is artificial lighting. So probably doesn't look great in here at the moment. I can't really tell at the moment, but I can't imagine it's going to look brilliant. But from this position here, which camera do you prefer? Which one is performing better for you and for audio? Throughout the process you will see the audio change every now and again from the different camera, so you can get the gist of what each camera sounds like. Let's get on.
Okay, we are now in night vision mode. Let me turn the lights off. Now we are
in pitch black. I'm hoping all these cameras are working fine. But here, make your own mind up. See which is the better of the 4. I've got the telly on here actually. Let's turn the telly off because there's a bit of light on that. Now it's completely pitch black. I'll probably look like a zombie on here. Walk over, a little bit of light here emitting from my PC. So that one. Bit of extra light coming in. So let me know your thoughts, guys. Which night vision is better?
Right, let's see.
What was that you just felt in there?
God, it's hot. Hopefully the cameras don't explode.
I can envision to be going out the window. Somewhere that you can go to come down.
Yeah. Go around. Go on there, don't we?
Yeah. Yeah. Oh, that's where that lorry was, isn't it?
I want to park in the shade idea, do you know what I mean? It's a lorry.
There's some shade there.
What's up, Baba? Walking that way in the car, yeah?
Yeah.
Walking around. Sweet.
Mommy, I want to go that one.
Are you coming with me?
So we're in the car park testing these cameras now internally in the car. Just waiting for the partner to get back from the bank. What do you think of the quality of these 4 cameras? We have the new SQ13 in amongst the 8, 11 and 12. We have a little in the back. We won't stop crying, will ya? Eh? Yeah, which camera do you prefer? Which camera? Which one? Point to one. Touch one. Touch one, go on. No? No, okay. Okay, that'll do for now. What are you boys doing? Playing? Oh, is that your little basketball hoop? Does it fit in there?
I keep missing.
Oh, that's what I was going to look at.
Yeah.
A pumpkin.
Oh, these pumpkins aren't even glowing yet, are they?
Well, we've got one.
A pumpkin there. Shall we pick
Have you
it?
seen it, Jaden?
Shall we pick it?
Not yet, it's not time yet.
Oh, when it's
Have
summer.
you been watering it?
Well, the rain's been watering it.
Yeah, I know it's my watering can. It's my go now. I'm going to do it by my slide. And if I get it in, I'll have a candy. Yeah, where's the candy? Where are you going to get candy from?
No, we've got to go in now, but it's your bedtime. So that's it, guys. that is all the footage. Again, I apologise for the limited amount of SQ12 film or video. All these 4 can be bought on GearBest. I will include links in the description below. You can get the waterproof casing for the 13 and the 12. Any questions, guys, please comment below. Also, let me know which was your favourite. But for me, with the extra features, and yes, it's slightly bigger, but the SQ13 is the one for me. Please give the video a thumbs up, guys. Subscribe. I'll see you in the next one. Thank you.